An easy and delicious lunch recipe, ready in a couple of minutes. Let's start our recipe by dicing 2 tomatoes. Then cut 1 bell pepper into slices and then into dices. Also, dice 2 onions. Now carefully lay all the vegetables in a pan. Take a moment to tell me where you're watching us from so that I can send you a special hug. And thank you for keeping on following our recipes. We'd love to know. And you guys, this pasta recipe is very healthy and easy to prepare. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Now add in the pan 200 grams of pasta. You can use your favorite one. Add also 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic. Cover with warm water, turn on maximum heat, cover with a lid, and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, remove the lid and mix. Now leave the pasta to cook for 1 minute. Then add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste and mix. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and comment below. I love pasta. Now add 170 grams of tuna and mix. Try this recipe at home, then write here what you think. Cover with the lid and leave it to cook for 5 more minutes. Then add mozzarella cheese on top and leave it to melt. And our recipe is done, ready to be enjoyed. I really hope you liked our recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.